Greetings and welcome to another episode of A Missouri Minute. I'm here on the banks of the Missouri River. It's late afternoon, just after 4 p.m. Beautiful day today. No rain, which is good. A little cloudy. I'd say about 72.5 degrees today. And I'm currently standing on the shore here. It's a little muddy, but that's okay. Taking a nice little break here. Then I'm going to continue on. I'm at the top of UL Bend, this is called. It's a 15-mile horseshoe-shaped bend. It goes way down south and then back up north. And I'm right at the top of it here. So this area last year was inundated with water. And just over here to my left, you can see the high water mark. Past this grass here and up a little bit. Just down here a little bit, some logs that have been washed up. They're literally 40 feet from the shoreline right now, from the water line anyways. So last year there was quite a bit of water. That was like a 100-year flood last year. So lots of snowpack, lots of snow melt coming down. This is actually a tail end of Fort Peck Lake. Fort Peck is the name of the dam as well, which is still 110 miles that way. And I'm getting there slowly. Today's day 2, I guess, from James Kipp State Park. So I'm making pretty good progress here. I'm up to about 44 miles from James Kipp Park, and I'm doing pretty good actually. I think I'll do 30 miles today, and that's a good day. Had to deal with some headwind earlier. The wind has died back now, which is kind of nice, and if I do get any wind, I'll be heading south. It's been coming out of the east, and so it has been a headwind for a good chunk of the day, but I'll get that from the side if I get in the next couple hours until I make camp. The idea here is to get close to the bottom of the bend. Now there's a river that comes in to the Missouri called the Musselshell River, and it empties a lot of silt into the bottom of this bend. And apparently that area can be quite inundated with silt and lack of water. So I'm hoping that the water level is still pretty high, even though we're kind of in a drought year here. It's been very warm and dry all over the U.S. this year. But I'm hoping there's enough water and a good channel that I can make my way through there tomorrow morning. So the plan is, rather than get down into that because I don't really know what I'm getting myself into there, I'm going to camp prior to it, maybe 5 to 10 miles above the bottom of the, actually it'll be about 5 miles. It'll be 5.53 miles actually. And from there tomorrow I'll continue down and around the bottom of the bend and up towards the area where the lake starts to open up. So I'm pretty excited about that. So if I can make it through this challenging little section tomorrow, then I'll be into almost open lake at that point, and then it's just a matter of making the distance over the next maybe 6 days to the dam. So pretty excited about that. Today's been a good day, good progress. I'm pretty happy about that, and that's going to about wrap it up here on the banks of the Missouri River. That's my kayak right there. I like my kayak. I like to get in it and float some people in something. I like to float in the kayak, and then people float in the kayak, not with me, but other people also float in kayaks, and they float on the water in the kayak. That was just about the stupidest thing I've said on this little show so far. Even, did I talk about those mussels yet though? Ooh, that'll have to be another episode. Ciao for now.